Good morning, students. Now, in previous class, we are discussing about part D question, that is question number 44. So, question number 44 belongs to under, that is, which one is important integrals. There are 6 important integrals. Now, today we will discuss question number 45, that is belongs to under application of integrals. Now here, that is 5 mark question. In application of integrals, there are 5 important problems. Now let us discuss about one by one. Okay. Now first problem, that is 5 mark. Find the area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square using integration method. By using integration to find the area of circle. You know the formula. As you know that area of circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. Its area is pi r square, where r is the radius. Instead of r, here radius is a, so that its answer is pi a square. Hagadre area of circle formula pi a square. Idanna ನಾವು prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು by using integration method. Okay, how to solve? Now look here, given data x square plus y square is equal to a square. Clearly that equation represent equation of circle with center is at origin. Here center is at origin, radius is a. Instead of r, radius is here a. Now using this, you know the formula for area bounded by the curve with x-axis is given by the formula integral from a to b y dx if it is x-axis. Whereas area bounded by the curve with y-axis is given by the formula integral from say c to d x into dy. This is y-axis. Y-axis is the formula integral from c to d x dy. Whereas area bounded by the curve with x-axis is given by the formula integral from a to b y dx. Now using this to find out the value of y, model y find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So y square is equal to a square minus x square. That x square goes to right side, minus x square. Therefore y is equal to under root of a square minus x square. We got y value. Now here consider a circle with center is at origin. This circle cuts the x and y axis. Okay, x axis at a dash, y axis at b dash, with center is at origin and radius is here a, right? Now since OA is radius thane, so that radius lies on which axis? X axis. What is coordinates of point A comma 0, right? Now to find the area of complete circle, what can you do? To find one part of the area, one part solve ಮಾಡೋಣ. Multiply by 4 times because that circle divided into 4 parts, 4 quadrants. So required area A is equal to area, that is 4 times area OAB, or 4 into first quadrant. There are 4 quadrants. Okay, so that is 4 into area formula a to b y dx, because area bounded by the curve with x-axis. So that is 4 times a and b are limits of integration. A is the lower limit, area bounded by the curve with x-axis. X-axis value lower limit is 0. Again x-axis value is upper limit is a. Y dx, what is y value? Under root of a square minus x square with respect to x. Right? Now that is 4. Now remember that formula. Either formula ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Integral of root a square minus x square. Just to remember that formula. The formula is like this: x by 2 under root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a. ಇದನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. area integral from a, that is integral of root a square minus x square is equal to x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ 0 to a. Okay, then put x is equal to upper limit as well as x is equal to lower limit. Now that is equal to 4 into, put x is equal to upper limit a by 2 under root of a square minus a square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a. X value is, upper limit x value ಏನಿದೆ a by a. This is upper limit. Minus, put x equal to lower limit. Lower limit is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. 0 into any number is 0. Plus a square by 2 sin inverse of, put x is lower limit 0. 0 by a is 0. Okay. Then simplify. 4 times a square minus a square 0. 0 into that number is 0. Plus a square by 2 sin inverse of a by a 1 minus 0 plus sin inverse of 0 is 0. 0 into that number is 0. Right? That is equal to 4 times a square by 2 sin inverse of 1. Sin of which angle is 1? 90 degree. That is 4 times pi a square divided by 2 into 2, 4. That 4 cancel. That is pi a square, measurement of units, square units. So area of circle by using integration, its area is pi a square, measurement of units, square units. Okay. Second problem. Find the area enclosed by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1, and hence find the area of ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1 by using integration method. Again same method. Now here given data, given x square by a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Using this to find out the value of y, this implies y square by b square is equal to 1. That term goes to right side, minus x square by a square, or y square by b square is equal to, LCM is here a square, that is a square minus x square, or cross multiply y square is equal to b square by a square into a square minus x square. Therefore y is equal to square root of b square is b, square root of a square is a, under root of a square minus x square. We got y value. Now here the x square by a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. It represents the standard equation of ellipse. The ellipse like this, just like it is x-shaped structure. The curve like this, it is symmetric curve. Okay, since the ellipse cuts the x-axis at a dash and y-axis at bb dash, with center is at origin. Since the ellipse cuts the x-axis at a dash, take CA is equal to CA dash is equal to distance A, and take CB is equal to CB dash is equal to distance B. Here x-axis distance is A, y-axis distance is B. Okay, since CA lies on which axis? X-axis. So that coordinates of point A are A comma 0. Now the question, to find the area of complete curve. So what can you do? To find one part of the area. One part of the area find out madanu. Multiply by how many times? 4 times. So required area of ellipse is equal to 4 times area CAB. that is 4 times area formula a to b y dx, because area bounded by the curve with x-axis is given by the formula integral from a to b y dx. So that is 4. A and b are limits of integration. A is the lower limit, b is the upper limit. Here lower limit is x-axis 0, upper limit is x-axis a. So that is 0 to a y dx. What is y value? b by a under root of a square minus x square with respect to x. Now here b by a constant take outside into integral from 0 to a under root of a square minus x square with respect to x. Now that is 4b by a. Remember that formula, integration of root a square minus x square formula ಏನಿದೆ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದನ್ನ formula x by 2 under root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a. This is the formula between the limits 0 to a. Put x is equal to upper limit as well as x is equal to lower limit. So that is 4 times b by a. Put x equal to upper limit, a by 2 under root of a square minus a square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x value is a by a. This is upper limit. Okay. Minus lower limit. Minus, put x equal to 0. 0 by 2 is 0. 0 into any number is 0. Right? Plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x equal to lower limit 0. 0 by a is 0. Then simplify 4 times b by a into root of a square minus a square 0 plus a square by 2 sin inverse of a cancel, that is 1. This is upper limit minus lower limit 0 plus sin inverse of 0 is 0. 0 into any number 0. That is 4 times b by a into bracket a square by 2 sin inverse of 1, sin of which angle is 1, pi by 2. Okay, that is 4 times b by a square into pi, pi a square, 2 into 2, 4. So 4 cancel, 1 a cancel, that is equal to pi a b square units. So area of circle in general, area of ellipse is pi a b square units. Using this to find the area of the ellipse, x square by 16, x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Now clearly it is in the form x square by a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Correct? Here a square value yesterday 16, b square value 9. Therefore a is equal to 4, b is equal to 3. You know the formula. Therefore area of ellipse formula ಏನಿದೆ pi ab. a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, b ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ pi a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 4, b ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3, 4 into 3 12 pi, measurement of units square units. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದೆನ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ಆ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಪ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 12 pi square units. Okay, problem number 3. Find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by the x-axis and the line y is equal to x and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 32. Now one circle, one line given. To find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis and the circle. Now given data x square plus y square is equal to 32. call it as equation 1, and the line y is equal to x, equation 2. Clearly it is in the form x square plus y square is equal to r square. It represents a circle with center is at origin. Here center is origin, radius how much? Radius is root 32. Yakandra 32 can be written as root 32 square. It is in the form x square plus y square equal to r square. Okay, using this y square is equal to 32 minus x square, or y is equal to under root of 32 minus x square. Now, here one circle and one the line. This is circle. Consider a circle with center is at origin. The circle cuts the x and y axis, okay, at a dash and b dash. Now here center is at origin, radius is root 32. This is radius of the circle. And the line y is equal to x. Clearly y is equal to x. It is in the form y is equal to mx. It represents a straight line passing through the origin. A line help pass agutte passing through the origin. Passing through the origin. So its equation of line is y is equal to x. Now the question is to find the area of the line and the circle. Either area yesterday calculate ಮಾಡಿ. Now here the line and the circle meet that point, say B. Now to find the coordinates of point B. How to calculate? Solving these two. Now here equation 1 gives. Equation 1 gives. See what happened? X square plus y value x, y square is x square is equal to 32. X square plus x square is 2x square is equal to 32. X square is equal to divide by 2 16. X is equal to plus 4 because lies in region in first quadrant. So this is first quadrant. Now here x is equal to 4 adra. What about y value? Y is also 4 because y is equal to x. Eradu values equal agide. So coordinates of point B 4, 4. Now O is the origin, OA is radius. That OA lies on which axis? X axis. Coordinates of point A are root 32, 0. Since the line and the circle meet that point B, coordinates of point B 4, 4. Construct from the point B. Draw BM. Draw BM is perpendicular to x axis. Angle M is here 90 degree. Okay. Now OM lies on which axis? What is OM length? OM length is 4. What is BM length? BM length is also 4. Since OM lies on x axis, therefore coordinates of point M are 4, 0 because OM length is 4. Right? Now there are two shaded portion. Now to find area of that part, then to find area of another part. Okay? Now here required area A is equal to area, take first part OBMO. This one part area find out madri. Next another part is this plus area MBAM. So that is A is equal to area OBMO denoted by A1 and here denoted by A2. Call it as equation 3. Now to find A1. A1 is equal to formula integral from A to B y dx. Area bounded by the curve with x axis given by the formula A to B y dx. That is equal to A to B. A1 andre yavadu OBMO andre E line. Howda? Area bounded by the curve with axis. What are the limits? Origin to the point O and M. Origin to 0 to the point M is 4. Y dx. What is y value? Y value is x with respect to x. Right? Then integrate. Integral of x is x square by 2 between the limit 0 to 4. Right? Put x is equal to upper limit 4 square 16 by 2. Lower limit is 0. 16 by 2 is 8. So a1 value is 8 square units. a1 is 8 square units. Then to find a2. a2 is equal to, again formula a to b y dx. ನೋಡ್ರಿ a2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು m b a m ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಸೊ m to a, m the coordinate 4, 0, a coordinate root 32, 0. What are the limits? 4 to root 32. So here 4 to root 32. Y dx, y value is here root of 32 minus x square with respect to x. That is equal to integral from 4 to root 32 root of 32 can be written as, we write root 32 square minus x square. Baribodala? Okay? Then integrate. Now it is in the form root of a square minus x square. Remember that formula. Integral of root a square minus x square formula enide? X by 2 into root of x square minus a square. A value root 32. Root 32 square is 32 plus a square by 2. A square value 32 by 2. Sin inverse of x by a. A value root 32. Between the limits 4 to root 32. Right? Put x is equal to upper limit as well as lower limit. Put x equal to upper limit root 32 by 2 under root of x value root 32. X square is 32 minus 32 plus 32 by 2 sin inverse of x value root 32 by root 32. Correct? This is upper limit minus lower limit x value 4 by 2 under root of x square 4 square 16 minus 32 x by 2 into root of a square minus x square, not x square minus a square, a square andre 32 minus x square. Correct? Now here 32 minus 4 square is 16 plus 32 by 2 sin inverse of lower limit is x value 4 by root 32. Okay? Then simplify. 32 minus 32 0. 32 by 2 is 16. Sin inverse of root 32 cancel 1 minus 4 by 2 is 2 into root 32 minus 16 plus 32 by 2 is 16 sin inverse of 4 by root 32. Root 32 can be written as root of 16 into 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೋದಾ? But root 16 is 4 root. Correct? So root 32 is nothing but 4 root 2. 4 cancel. So that is 16. Sin inverse of 1 is 90 degree minus 2. Root 16 is 4 plus 16. Sin inverse of 1 bar root 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 45 degree. So 2 1s are 2 8s are. That is 8 pi minus 2 4s are 8. 4 1s are 4 4s are plus 4 pi. That is equal to 8 pi. Remove that bracket. Minus 8 minus 4 pi. That is equal to 8 pi minus 4 pi. 4 pi minus 8. Measurement of units, square units. This is area A2. Area MB AM. We got both the areas A1 and A2. Okay. Therefore, equation 3 gives required area A is equal to A1 plus A2. A1 value a1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? a1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ 8 ಪ್ಲಸ್ a2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ 4 pi minus 8 plus 8 minus 8 cancel. Therefore required area A is equal to 4 pi measurement of units square units. That is the final answer. That is 5 mark question. Okay students, circle ide ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ what is the area of shaded region? So area of shaded region is 4 pi square units. Okay, problem, find the area of the smaller part of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square cut off by the line x is equal to a by root 2. Look here, given data, ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನಿಲ್ಲೇ, ಏನಿದೆ x square plus y square is equal to a square. It represent a circle with center is at origin, radius is a. Here using this, therefore y square is equal to find y value, a square minus x square, or y is equal to under root of a square minus x square. Now this is a circle with center is at origin. Let the circle cuts the x and y axis at a dash and b dash. Okay, center is at origin and radius is here a. Smaller part of the circle, idu big circle ide, idralle smaller part togolri, adike ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, cut off by the line x is equal to a by root 2. Smaller part x axis cut ಆಗಬೇಕು. This is x is equal to a bar root 2. This is smaller part. This is OM. OM length is a bar root 2. This is smaller part. E smaller part of the area calculate maadi. Find the area of the smaller part of the circle cut off by the line. Now to calculate area of that shaded portion. Okay, this is smaller part. Now OM length is a bar root 2, whereas OA length is radius a. OM length is cut off by the line x is equal to a bar root 2, then OA length is a. Since OA lies on x axis, coordinates of point a comma 0, because OA length is radius a. Similarly OM length is a bar root 2, therefore OM lies on x axis, coordinates of point m a bar root 2 comma 0. Now we got the limits, area bounded by the curve with x axis, lower limit is a bar root 2, upper limit is a. E part ತಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ. This is smaller part. So that is required area. Required area of smaller part of the circle is equal to 2 times integral from a to b y dx. Why we take 2? Because there are two quadrants, first and fourth quadrant. ಎರಡು quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, symmetric ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎರಡು part ಇದೆ. That's why by taking 2 into. So that is 2 into a and b are limits. Lower limit is m to a, m ದಿಂದ a, m ದ coordinate ಏನಿದೆ a bar root 2. Lower limit to upper limit is a. Y dx, y value under root of a square minus x square with respect to x. Simplify 2. You know the formula, integration of root a square minus x square. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ a square minus x square ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ x by 2 under root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a. Between the limits a bar root 2 to a. Okay, simplify 2 into, put x equal to upper limit a by 2 under root of a square minus x value upper limit a, that is x square is a square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x value a by a. This is upper limit minus lower limit, put x equal to a by root 2. X is equal to a by root 2. a by root 2 divided by 2. X value a by root 2 divided by 2 under root of a square minus x square. Lower limit is x value a by root 2, its square a square by 2, root 2 square is 2, right? Plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x value a by root 2 divided by a, right? Then simplify 2 into a square minus a square 0, 0 into that number is 0, plus a square by 2 sine inverse of a by a1, this is upper limit, minus a by root 2 by 2, a by root 2 divided by x value a by root 2 ಇದೆ divided by 2. So 2 can be written as 2 by 1, that 1 goes to numerator, that 2 goes to denominator, that is a by 2 root ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇದು, okay, into root of, take the LCM, LCM is 2, that is 2a square minus a square divided by 2 plus a square by 2. Now that a by root 2 divided by a by 1, that 1 goes to numerator, that a goes to denominator, a cancel, that is sine inverse of 1 by root 2. Then further simplify, that is 2 into a square by 2 sine inverse of 1, sine of which angle is 1, 90 degree, ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ, minus a by 2 root 2, 2a square minus a square root of a square by 2 plus a square by 2 sine inverse of 1 by root 2. What is that angle? Pi by 4. Then further simplify 2 into bracket pi a square by 4. ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ, pi a square by 4 minus a divided by 2 root 2, split of the root, root of a square is a by root 2 plus pi a square divided by 4 2s are 8, okay, that is 2 into bracket pi a square by 4, remove that bracket, minus a into a square, root 2 into root 2 2, 2 2s are 4, minus into plus minus pi a square by 8 is equal to 2 into, take the LCM, LCM is 8, 4 2s are 8 1s are, right? So 2 into pi a square, 2 pi a square minus 2a square minus pi a square is equal to 2 into bracket 2 pi a square minus 1 pi a square, pi a square minus 2a square divided by 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are. In the numerator, is there any common? Common ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, a square common ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ, a square by 4, a square common, a square by 4, a square ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತಿಲ್ಲ, pi minus 2, measurement of units, square units. This is the area of the smaller part of the circle cut off by the line x is equal to a by root 2. So answer ಏನಿದೆ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು required area a square by 4 into pi minus 2 square units. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, integral of root a square minus x square is equal to x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a. Okay, formula. Sorry, one more problem. Find the area of the region enclosed by the circle. Again circle, maximum circle ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ problem. X square plus y square equal to 4 and the line x plus y is equal to 2. Look here, given data x square plus y square is equal to 4. It represents equation of circle with center is at origin, radius is here 2. Now here that is x square plus y square is equal to 4 is same as 2 square. Clearly it is in the form x square plus y square equal to r square. Here center center of the circle is origin and radius is 2. Okay, now here x square plus y square equal to 4, therefore y square is equal to 4 minus x square, transfer it, or y is equal to under root of 4 minus x square. We got y value. Now this is circle. The circle with center is at origin. The circle cuts the x-axis at a dash, y-axis at b dash. Center is at origin. What is radius of the circle? Radius is 2. OA is 2. Right. And the line. Matten kodidana line. X plus y is equal to 2. Or divide by 2. 2 dinda divide ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? X by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. Clearly it is in the form x by a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Already you learned in first PU. That is in analytical geometry. That is different form of equations of straight line. That is intercept form. X by a plus y upon b is equal to 1. It represents a straight line. That equation is known as intercept form. X intercept is 2, y intercept is also 2, a and b value is same. So now here x intercept is 2, y intercept is 2, so that the line like this, the line cuts the x axis at a and y axis at b. A line el barutte cuts the x axis at a and y axis at b, that is x plus y is equal to 2. So OA is radius, that radius lies on x axis, coordinates of point a 2, 0, whereas coordinates of point b 0, 2. Now the question, find the area of the region enclosed by the circle and the line. This is the shaded portion is the area. Either area na calculate madbeku. You have to calculate that shaded portion. So how to solve this? Required area is equal to, first you take part of the circle, area OAB minus area of line, area the line AB, area of the line AB or OAB. Okay, ಅಥವಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, OACB ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Here OACB and the area of the line, area OAB. OACB minus area of the line OAB. So that is integral from, you know the formula, area bounded by the curve with x-axis is given by the formula a to b y dx. What is a? Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2, 0 to 2, y dx, OACB. What is y value? Under root of 4 minus x square with respect to x, minus again area, same limits, OAB line, x plus y is equal to 2 implies y is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 minus x, right? Then integrate one by one. So integral from 0 to 2. Now 4 can be written as, we can write 2 square ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ, minus x square with respect to x, minus 0 to 2, 2 minus x with respect to x. Now clearly it is in the form integral of root a square minus x square. Again you know the formula, remember that formula, integration of root a square minus x square formula, x by 2 under root of a square minus x square, a square value, a value 2, 2 square 4 minus x square plus a square by 2, a square value 4 by 2, sin inverse of x by a value is 2 between the limits 0 to 2 minus, again second integration, integral of 2, simple integration, 2x, integral of x, you know x square by 2 between the limits 0 to 2. Put x equal to upper limit as well as lower limit. That is, put x is equal to upper limit 2 by 2 into root of 4 minus x value 2, 2 square 4 plus 4 by 2 is nothing but 2, sin inverse of, here 2 ones are 2 twos are, Sin inverse of x by 2, x value 2 by 2, this is upper limit, minus lower limit, put x is 0, 0 by 2 is 0, plus 2 sin inverse of 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 sin inverse of x value 0, 0 by 2 is 0, minus second one, put x equal to upper limit 2 into 2 minus x value upper limit 2, 2 square 4 by 2, minus lower limit, put x is 0, minus 0 square is 0 by 2 is 0, that is equal to 4 minus 4, 0 plus 2, 2 ones are 2 ones are, sin inverse of 1, sin of which angle is 1, 90 degree, pi by 2, minus sin inverse of 0 is 0, minus 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are, 2 2s are 4 minus 2, 2 minus 0 minus 0, 0. That 2 2 cancel, that is pi minus 2 measurement of units square units. So, area of the region enclosed by the circle and the line x plus y is equal to 2, its area is pi minus 2 square units. So, these are the important problems. That is question number 45. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 45th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ಸ್. ಇವು 5 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀವು, ಯಾವುದು, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್, ಇದು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ರಿಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 2 ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ 2 ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಎ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇವು 5 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 2 ಅಂಡರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ 2 ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸಿ. ಇದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಇವು 5 ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾವು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 45 is over. Next question number 46, that is belongs to under linear differential equation. So we will discuss in next class. Okay students, thank you.